Ajoke, Ajoke. The word jo is used to describe doing something together, an action that is jointly taken, anything collectively done. And ke means to pamper, to pet, to treat with tender care, to cherish, to nurture. Therefore, an Ajoke is a child to be jointly pampered, a child who is jointly taken care of. Ọmọ tá ń jọ kẹ́. This is a child too big to be cared for alone by the parents. This child is too great, too unique, too wonderful, special, beautiful, and pleasant to be cared for alone. Therefore, everybody comes together, both friends and well-wishers and family, and then they join hands to care for this child. Ajoke, the child who shall experience care from all and sundry. The child whom men shall gather round just to pamper. Kàbìtì lọmọ yìí, ó tóbi lọ́wọ́, ó ju ohun tí ẹnìkan ṣoṣo lè dákẹ́ lọ. Ẹran ìfẹ́ ara rẹ̀ á máa wúni lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Tẹbí tará ló sì fẹ́ fìfẹ́ hàn. Àjọkẹ́, wàá ṣeré.